Hi my dear friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel ADC Max. What is the use of even and odd function? Because we have already seen the video in the previous videos. Even function, odd function, sometimes neither even nor odd. And also we know that the function is even, then it is minus L to plus L f of x dx becomes twice the time 0 to L f of x dx. If it is odd function, it is 0. And what is the need of introducing this even and odd function? Because in the Fourier series expansion, I am going to discuss, that is, we are going to discuss about the interval minus L comma L. For example, the formula for A naught is 1 by L. So, how this even and odd functions will impact over the formula for A naught, that is in the A naught, A n, B n formula. What is it? If A naught is equal to 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x dx. That's right. Suppose the function is even, what happened? Suppose the function is odd, what happened? Suppose the function is neither even nor odd, what happened? Okay, suppose the function is f of x is neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd, what will happen? Let us see that. So, these are three cases, different cases. The formula for A naught in the interval minus L comma L, because I once again repeat this. This is valid only in the interval minus L comma L or minus pi comma pi. Both are same. Minus L comma L or minus pi comma pi. Let us see that. Now we know the formula for A naught is 1 by L f of x dx. Now suppose my function f of x is even. Suppose the function f of x is even. Then by this property we can write minus L to plus L as twice the time 0 to L. So the formula becomes, if it is a even, 2 by L. See that? 2 times 1 by L. So 2 by L integral 0 to L. Please see the difference. Why it has become 0? Because of even function. Minus L to plus L becomes 2 times 0 to L. Okay? F of x dx. Suppose it is a even function. Suppose this f of x is an odd function. What happened? Suppose this f of x is odd function, then by this property this becomes 0. Got it? So let us see the nature of the function. Based on the nature of the function, depending on the nature of the function, we will redefine the A naught, A n as well as B n. Now what about the neither even nor odd case? Neither even nor odd case, so don't worry about it. You can go just like that. A naught equal to 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x dx as usual. As usual, you can go for the A naught. Right? What about A n? So A n formula, as we know that A n formula is 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. Please once again repeat that. So this is the formula for the A n, right? Here my f of x is even. We see that this is even function. What about cosine function? Cosine function are always even because of cos of minus theta is cos theta, isn't it? So even into even, what happened? Again even. So see that this is a formula, it's a simple idea. Even into even is even. It looks like, you know, plus into plus, plus. Plus indicates even. Because f of minus x is plus f of x. So this is called the even function. Plus into plus plus, so even to even is even, the same idea. Plus into minus is minus. Minus indicates odd function. Even into odd is odd. Minus into plus is minus, so odd into even is odd. Finally, minus into minus is plus, that is odd into odd is even. When we put minus and plus, a simple idea. When we say that the function is even, f of minus x is plus f of x, it is even. So we have plus sign here. When we get this odd function, it is minus f of x. That's why I used minus in place of odd function, plus in the place of even function. So same case. So what about even to even? Even to even is, once again, it is even. So once it is even, then we can relate this by twice the time. So it is 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. Got it? This is first case. Now, the second case is, suppose f of x is odd. So what happened in this one? Now this becomes odd function. Right? But cosine is a product of two. Product of two. Cosine function is always even function. Isn't it? But f of x is now odd function. So odd into even, what happened? Odd into even, it is odd. Once it is, the product is odd, then the answer is 0. Clear? And finally, if it's neither even nor odd, there is no change. So the an formula is as usual, 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. So once again repeat this. It's a product of two functions. If f of x is even into even is even, so this twice the time 0 will. See the difference in the formula as well. 0 is the lower limit, twice multiply. Suppose f of x is odd into even is odd, so this becomes 0. Suppose f of x is neither even nor odd, don't worry about it, you can write as it is. You can proceed as usually. What about the Bn formula? What about the Bn formula? Bn formula is 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x sin n pi x by L into dx. Right? It's clear? First case. What's the first case? The first case is f of x is, first case f of x is even. What about sine function? What about sine function? Sine functions are always odd, right? Sine function is always odd. Now, suppose the function is even. What's the product of f of x into sine n pi x by L? Even into odd. Even into odd. That is plus into minus is minus. That means that it is the odd function. If it's an odd function, the value is 0. The Bn is 0 if f of x is even. Now suppose f of x is odd. Sine is also odd. Is it right? Sine is also odd. What about odd into odd? It is even. So now this becomes 2 times 0 to L. See the difference? 2 times 0 to L. The limit, the lower limit of x is changed. 0. F of x sin n pi x by L dx. Got it? Once I repeat this, if the function is even, sin x is always odd, even into odd is odd, so it is 0 if f of x is even. Suppose f of x is odd, sin is also odd, so odd into odd becomes even, so it is twice the time. What about neither even nor odd? Neither even nor odd is the same problem, the same formula. Bn is equal to 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x sin n pi x by L into dx. So there is no change in the formula. Suppose f of x is neither even nor odd. Suppose f of x is neither even nor odd. There is no need to worry about it. Let us proceed as usually. Now, what is the use of this thing? That may be the question for you. So, why we want to check whether it is even or odd, and why? What is the necessity to apply this property? Because sometimes see that the function is defined in interval minus L comma L or minus pi comma pi. After integration, we came to know that the answer was 0. After integration only, we came to know that the answer is 0. Now, once the function is defined in minus L comma L or minus pi comma pi, kindly check whether the function is even or odd or neither even nor odd. Please kindly identify the function whether it is even or odd or neither even nor odd. So once if you got the function is even, no need to find out the Bn value. You can directly write Bn equal to 0. Okay? But this is possible only when the function is defined in minus pi comma pi or minus L comma L. Got it? Suppose my function is odd. My function is odd. Our ultimate aim is to get the a0, an, bn, 3 constants. Right? Suppose my function is odd. a0 value is 0, an value is 0. So no need to find those values unnecessarily. So directly write a not 0, an 0. Find the bn value alone. That to slight change the formula. See that 2 in the numerator, the lower limit of interval is 0. 0. Suppose the function is neither even nor odd, don't worry about it. We find out as usually, no problem at all, because even though it is maybe comes 0, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, right? So that is the beauty of this even and odd as well as the definite integral property. What is the property? Integral minus L to plus L f of x dx is equal to 2 times integral 0 to L if f of x is even. So with the help of this property, I came to know that bn value is 0 if f of x is even. So no need to find out that value. A0 and an value is 0 if the function is odd. So it will save our calculation work. So that is the use of this topic. I hope everyone is understand this one. Once I repeat this is very simple concept. Even means plus sign, odd means minus sign. Once they are in product form, please kindly check whether it's even or odd. The function is defined in these two interval only is possible. Right? Okay? So A0 formula, AN formula, BN formula, and the interval minus pi comma pi or minus pi comma pi already we know. Now the function is even, Bn is 0. In the formula A0 and the AN slight difference, twice time lower limit is 0. Lower limit is 0. If it is an odd, A0 0, AN 0, Bn slight difference, the formula 2 and denominator is 0. It's a neither even nor odd, don't worry about it, find the way as usually. Thank you so much. Can you subscribe our channel, YouTube channel ADC Maths. Thank you.